Mr. Gelson, the differential guy master. Good. No, leave it to me. Check this one here. Not centered. Fire. Fire in the hole. Kalas. Good. Mr. Gelson agree what I said. Mr. Gelson, not center. Last. Your hand. Safety. Uy. Now, see? Remove your hand. You will see the... Hold this video. Shada. Why like this? Check.
Little release. Yeah, press.
Why like this? How many pressure?
5.
5 bar? Very hard. 5 bar. Why angry? Oh. 10 bar. 10 bar already? Shada. Good. Check. Number 1. Number 1, Mr. Gelson. Other side. You are the bearing. What name this one? Differential carrier? Differential side gear?
Yes.
Side gear carrier. What the cost this one? Noise? Noise in turn?
Yes.
Noise in turning left and right? To the left, to the right, 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 to the left, to the right. Up. Kelas. Hey. The same bearing number?
No bearing.
No, the same bearing?
Side given.
Side bearing? No, the number. Only when reach 5. Kalas. Very hard. Kalas? Everything's fine? Everything's... Why like this? Why you give me to me? Why like this? Symbol. Symbol. Get out. Get out. Out.